Have you ever heard that funny saying, nothing is certain except death and taxes? Well, Benjamin Franklin, a great scientist and the oldest framer of the Constitution, made up this joke about the Constitution itself. What he said was that he hoped the Constitution would work out, but the only sure thing in life was paying taxes. Taxes are fees the government charges so it can pay its expenses, and although that's often an unpopular topic, every nation has them. In 1787, the new Constitution specifically listed the power of the national government to tax. The absence of such a power was a major weakness of the Articles of Confederation, the nation's first constitution. America couldn't pay its bills, especially to the soldiers who fought the Revolutionary War. The new Constitution allowed different types of taxes on imports, goods, and services. But a tax directly on the people themselves was more complicated. During the Civil War, the federal government began to tax incomes in order to pay for the war's huge expenses. The Supreme Court unanimously upheld this practice in 1881, but only 14 years later, in 1895, the Supreme Court raised legal issues about the income tax. To remove all doubts, the 16th Amendment was added in 1913 to the Constitution, ensuring that the income tax would continue to be the major source of federal revenue. The income tax made possible a much larger national government that was more involved in citizens' lives. This now includes regulating food and drug safety, preserving the national parks, and promoting foreign trade. The income tax also pays for the U.S. to be a much larger player on the world stage by financing international embassies. It also finances the world's largest military, which has been deployed in World War I, World War II, and other international conflicts. As always, Americans continue to debate whether the cost of a larger government are worth it. How might we the people help fund the federal government with or without an income tax?